Good morning and welcome to May, Businesses of Southwest Colorado. There's a lot going on, as always, at the SBDC. Let's start with some of the funding and programs that are coming down from the federal government. The Shuttered Venue Operators Grant is open. If you are looking to apply for that and you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We know that is a more complicated process than some of the other grants that have come out. Also, the Restaurant Revitalization Fund is opening today at noon. Hopefully you knew that and you are prepared and ready to apply when that application opens. You can go ahead in beforehand and pre-register, so do that if you have not already done so. And if you have any questions about that application, please don't hesitate to call us. We know that it is a $28 billion fund, but we also know there's going to be a lot of demand. We anticipate that Congress will reauthorize those funds. So if you don't get in on the first round, hopefully there'll be additional funding into that program for you. Again, call us if you have any questions. Also, the PPP has been extended through May 31st. Don't wait until the last minute. We don't know if the funds will make it all the way to May 31st, but currently that is also an option for you if you have not applied either for your first or second PPP. So again, contact the SBDC if you have any questions about how to do that. Also, if you look down below in this email, you'll see that there is a list of other funding that could be available for your business. So take a look through that list as well. Also, the Montezuma County Fund may apply to your business if you're from Montezuma County. So look for that, and we will keep you posted on any other local or regional funding that comes through over the course of the next several weeks or months. Which brings me to my next topic, which is procurement. We do know that there is going to be a lot of funding coming down from the federal government, trickling down to the state and the local level. That our governments are going to be looking for projects to fund with that money. So make sure you're thinking about procurement. Is government one of your revenue streams? And if it's not, could it be? We're going to be doing a number of things in the next several months. One of them is some workshops with Connect-to-Dot, our CDOT connector, looking at different requirements for government contracting. We're also working with the Durango 9R School District to try to make sure that that $90 million bond that was reauthorized is going to be used in a way that really leverages a lot of our local businesses. So we have a meeting about that next week. I should know more. If you have any questions, let us know, but they are really looking to spend as much of that money in our region as they can. So that's great news. So that's procurement. Let us know if you have any questions about how you get hooked into being able to work with the government. We also here at the Southwest SBDC have a number of workshops coming up in the month of May. So you'll see those below, but I'll just quickly go through them. The first one is our Legal Issues for Creatives on May 6th. And we are partnering with the Colorado Business Committee for the Arts and the Durango Creative District to offer that. If you are a creative business and you can self-define whether you are, that could be a great workshop for you to understand some of the legal issues around that. Starting Your Business Workshop, our second Starting Your Business Workshop of the year, will be on May 13th. So let us know if you're interested in attending that. Buying and selling a business. So we are going to do a two-part workshop that looks at both buying and selling a business, what you should be considering, how you should be planning, especially if you're selling a business, to get the most value for your business. So join us for those 2 days as well. And then we'll be doing an exporting webinar, or we're not doing it, it's the Office of Economic Development is doing an exporting webinar on May 4th, so that will be tomorrow, and Tailwind and SCA are both going to be a part of that. So if you are interested in learning more about exporting, how do you get into it, what resources are there to help you get into it. There are some grants to help get you into exporting if you haven't previously done that, if you're looking to open a new foreign market. So let us know if you want to be a part of that. We can, I think the information is below. And finally, we want to remind everyone that West Slope Startup Week is coming in July. It will be kind of mostly virtual, but there will be some local events around that too. And the West Slope Startup Week crew is looking for submissions for their digital online trainings and workshops. So if you're an entrepreneur and you have something to share with other entrepreneurs, something that you wish you had known, or something that you really feel like could help other entrepreneurs, don't hesitate to submit an application to be a presenter for them. They really want to have a diverse group of workshops, different tracks, so look into that. Again, the information is below. So I think that's all I'm going to share this morning in my video, and hopefully everyone has a great May. We're really looking forward to a great summer, prosperous year, less COVID restrictions, which seem to be coming, so stay tuned for that. And thanks everyone, and have a great month.